Hi friends, today I'll be showing you how to get started with Claude Cowork. Okay, so you're gonna head over to cloud.ai and then it's going to take you to this page, and from here you're going to go ahead and download the desktop app. On the desktop app it includes regular Claude Chat, Claude Cowork, and Claude Code. So you'll get all three by downloading the desktop. Just something to keep in mind: in order to use Claude Cowork and Claude Code, you're going to need a Pro plan or a Max plan. So currently, from the time of the posting of this video, the rates are for your Pro, it's $17 a month, and for a Max plan, it starts at $100 a month. I just use the Pro plan. It gets everything that I need, and it'll probably be the best case for you. But to learn more, you can just go through their website and just compare the different plan options. Okay, so after you hit download, you should see it on your downloads folder. So you can go ahead and click Claude Setup, or from here, you can also go to your File Explorer, click Downloads, and it should be under Claude Setup. So go ahead and open that, double click to open it. So after you download, it'll take you here, and this is where we start. So just to give you an idea of what's kind of going on here. So at the top left, you see we have the Home tab and the Code tab. So once you click over to the Code tab, that'll take you to Claude Code, and you can type in Chat with Claude Code from here. And on the Home tab, this is where you can toggle from the regular Claude Chat and then Claude Cowork. From here, when you're ready to get started with Cowork, you can go ahead and select the folder. So I added a new folder specifically for this. So I'm going to go to my documents, and then I have my Claude Cowork folder. And anything I put in this folder, Claude Cowork would have context for. So I select the folder, allow Claude to change files in Claude and Cowork, yes, because you want it to be able to read it, edit, delete if needed. Allow, and then you'll see it pull up here. And that's how you get started with Cowork.